This has been our sleeping arrangement the last 2 nights.
Welcome to my crib.
Gorgeous. Tourism mode in full swing here as we do our walking tour.
Let's go. Lorito. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Oye, baby, no te pone muy cerca.
This is so nice. Just demand her to stand under the arch.
That's good. Hi.
But nobody can decide which color paint their houses. No, they need permission from the council and they give you the color.
Baby, yo sé que te falta ser mi amor. Yeah, yeah. Pero baby, no te pone así. Te llamé, pero no había señal casual.
We were walking in the complete wrong direction to go to the lookout, so now this lovely Guatemalan man is going to show us the way. This is some view. Right over the city of Antigua, and then just a big massive volcano on the back. This is our sleeping arrangement for the next 4 nights. Not these, these. Never mind, they made a mistake with the bookings, so now we get the nice little teepees. Sweet. Not bad. They've wedged it in there, but that will do the finest. Right, literally just strolled around the town today. It's like really nice. I will hopefully show you that tomorrow or the following day. But right now I'm gonna, because the sky is clear, I'm gonna stick the drone up and yeah, show you over Lake Atitlan.
When you're with me, if you're gonna break me, I know I won't stay. I don't wanna wait here, you push me away. If you're gonna choose, you don't know what to do. I don't wanna lose you, but don't wanna lose me. Don't mess it up, feeling frustrated. It ain't enough to fix a love.
Oh man, we back! Yeah, we're finally growing stuff. Yeah, please. Bag, wrench.
I look for the all stuff with all
Just
But in this one's actually water.
an eventful start. Crystals, lads, I don't get them. This is pretty high.
Fuck off.
Right, this is San Marcos on Lake Atitlan. Everyone's playing games and stuff. So I'm gonna go fly my drone.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds.
I haven't a clue what's going on, but it's pretty cool. This is bus rides in Central America.
We were in the pool together. We lived together for the first 3 years.
7 hours on a bus. And now we're not even here yet. And now on the lancha. How are we feeling, Millie?
Really good. Really
The look
good.
of sarcasm
Yeah,
right
I'm
there.
so happy.
Adios. There is a crab in our swimming pool. Watch Dunny trying to catch it now, look. How did that go?
Where is it?
Alright, good morning from El Paredon. I thought I would take loads of videos when I got here, but realistically I've just been chilling out. Been going out a bit more than I would like to, spending a bit more money, which is never good, especially when you're on a budget. But that's the hostel, and there's the beach. So pretty tough complain. But yeah, like we're leaving today and I didn't really get a chance to show you around, so I apologize, but yeah, really nice spot. I thought I'd get to surf, but the waves are just crazy. Yes, way beyond my ability completely. But yeah, the plan is catch a bus today back to Antigua for Semana Santa. Well, Semana Santa has already started, but the weekend is meant to be very good. So yeah, head back to Antigua for that, and then myself and Ben are going to do Atitlán on Monday, hopefully. But yeah, that's pretty much the plan for the next few days. And yeah, I will take you along as much as possible. But right now I'm gonna get some breakfast and jump in the pool. So I will see you when I see you.